charge that.
Just want to get down that line, buddy.
Thursday, June 6th.
Peyton, Joey, second base, turn 2, here we go.
Star of the Metro Tournament playing Hoover East. We are in the field. Wearing blue with white pants.
2, 2, 2. There you go, Sam. Way to charge that ball, buddy.
Hey, Trey, come in. Hey, tip.
1 second, man it.
2.
Back this up.
Man it.
Good catch. 2 outs.
Good job. Good job, Ryan.
Good job, Ryan. Get it in quick, buddy. Get it in quick. Good catch.
Ryan, back over.
How you doing, buddy?
Wait a second.
Good, bud. Good.
Second base, first base.
A little better.
Ah! Sam, get it.
Way to hustle, Sam. Way to hustle.
There's a lot of distance.
Line drive, Jack Howard. Line drive, buddy. Here we go. Wait a second, guys. Gloves in the dirt.
Sam, coming to you.
Go get it. Go get it, Sam. How we go, Sam? Good job. Good job.
Good job, man.
Good job.
Good job, Zach.